Yo guys, what's up, man? Let's go. So let me add a chat here, then we're gonna start it. Wait for a second. Yo, what's up, man? I'm gonna play a little bit of music in the background. I think I let me know my voice is good. I'm good, man. I'm good. Thank you so much for asking. I'm very good. Okay. So as you guys know, I only trade London session. Wait. Now it's good. Let me know. Or I can make it a little bit more down. Yeah. I think now it should be good. Fuck it, we're gonna close it. Yeah, now it should be good. Okay, GJ is kind of pushing. So let me draw a few levels. Okay, we have a level right here. If price can close above, I think it can tap all the way to the upside. Probably, let's say this level. Let me mark a level. Yeah, this level is kind of good. I think if price breaks that, it can tap this level. But we need some kind of price action happening around that area to execute a trade. Of course, this is a good momentum right here. As we can see, price is also touching this trend line. So if near London we can close above, let's say, this area, there is high probability this is the first area which we can tap, which is like 40 pip. So my stop is nearby like 10 pips. So I think we can catch like 1 to 2, 1 to 3 out of this zone if price decided to give a little bit of momentum to the upside. On the downside, I think if price has already respected from this area. Let me draw it. Respected. Now if price again broke below, I think it will not respect. It is already like respecting this whole area. Let me mark this whole area, like this area. This is also some kind of demand. So if price breaks below, I think we can push towards this area, which is also in confluence with this sort of demand. But I think momentum is to the upside, so not really concerned about a downside move. But if it does happen, then very open to it. I'm very open to it. So both sides, potential is there for the both sides. Let's see what we can catch. Yeah, man, I'm just waiting here, and let's see what we can do here. It's 30-minute, as you can see here, 30-minute chart. Let me make it a little bit zoom. Yeah, now it should be good. Gonna make it black like it was. Yeah, I don't like this white theme. I don't know why I made it. Yeah, so pretty much looking for the move to the upside. And if we draw Asian session tool, Asian session price is pushing to the downside. It's very tricky right now. It also connects as a liquidity. We have to see how candles are closing. I mean, we can't really say we can't really predict future. Okay, if it has to hold, it will hold. Okay, if it didn't hold it, maybe we can see some range, and then price can push to the downside. But so far momentum is to the upside, so very high possibility that price can continue its direction to the upside. EJ, I think GJ is clean. GU, yeah, focus for today is only GJ. I only look at these pairs if GJ is kind of choppy. So far GJ has given moves, so yeah. Guys, like this stream so that more viewers can pop in this stream, man. Let's go, man. $30 minutes left for the London Open. Is this from Dr. Dollars? What? What do you mean by is this from Dr. Dollars, bro? SMC? You trade SMC? I mean, I used to trade SMC, but I do keep those concepts in mind. Like as you can see, this order block right here, and this order block right here. If price decided to take this liquidity out, then most likely this area will get tapped, and this area is in confluence with this level. So I mean, I used to trade SMC alone, but I was getting too many stop losses, so I combined it with this method. Is working pretty fine for me. Wait guys, I'm gonna be back in about like 5 minutes. I like combining concepts together. I don't trade high R. I find 3 to 5 more than enough. Yeah, I find 2R is good for me. Let me see how stream is performing, because I can't really monitor it. Okay. Pause this thing. Pause this thing. Yeah. Seems like it's good. What is the main identification of auto block according to you? Man, it's really I know a lot of people can what's the word? A lot of people might disagree with me, but I think it's all intuition in terms of auto block. You feel, man, this can work out pretty well. I've seen this thing enough, like this type of auto block, this momentum. First thing is intuition, and second thing is clean break of structure where the impulse is. For example, like this was the impulse. Okay, yeah, price didn't tab this auto block, but in future it did tabbed. Yeah, man, I think auto blocks are really it get broken too easily, it get respected too easily, so it's really like 50-50. You need a little bit more than 50-50. So in order to make that auto block more than 50-50, what you can do, you can combine few price action concepts like trend lines, like levels, whatever you want to combine with. I mean, you can try. I was just back testing this thing other day, where it was, yeah, right here. I was on London session and price was right here. I was just back testing this thing. I was like, this is the auto block, price shown reaction, and I enter based on the chalk right here, and this wick was a stop loss, and then price move in my direction. So this type of situation I can't really handle it psychologically, man. If you can, go for it. I can, man. My thing is one trade a day. If I can capture one good trade, that's all, man. So far I'm not seeing anything. What do you plan on placing a trade? I usually place trade near London session, which is 12:30, near 12:30. So far it is looking like this area is getting respected, but this is not really the confidence that I would take in order to take the trade. But yes, this trend line look promising to me. If it breaks, I think this level is the next. So I'm very open to sells, but my setup is different. Unless I see my setup is something like impulse and a little bit of pullback, and then I like to execute on the break of this. This can be your auto block, this can be your retest, this can be your trend line touch, whatever. It can be anything, but I don't like to I don't really want to be the first one to capture the drop. Hey Sam, will you be streaming daily? Yeah, from now onwards I'm streaming daily. I figured this shit out, man. As you can see, like intro, now you're seeing intro, now scene, this is outro. Yeah, I figured this shit out, so I think it's good, man. We can do it every day. Yeah, I think it is good. This is also some kind of correction. So how we can take this trade? Let it impulse to the downside. Okay, let it pull back a little bit, and pullback can be in the form of candle or in the form of structure. If it is in the form of candle, I like to see, let me show you what kind of candle I'm talking about. I like to see these type of setups: impulse, pullback, and then break. If we talk about structure, then structure can be like this. If it is forming whole structure, I'll just wait for this kind of nature, and then I'll place a trade. Or if that happens opposite, okay, impulse, little bit of structure, then we can take buys. Impulse, little bit of structure. I think selling would be a little bit more better, but I'm also open to the buys. Both have equal confluences. What do I mean by that? Confluences for the buy is this trend line and this structure, which is just high high and high low. Confluence for the sell can be impulse, just the lower high and continuation of the lower high before tap in to the upside. Both are looking fine. This all, I mean, both have 2-3 confluences like this trend line, so very open to both of the scenarios. Let's see. I was introduced to your channel today after you put Wilt and Lambo effects on the blast. Yeah, man, I was just curious about them. I purchased their signals, and I was not really planning to record anything. I was just planning to see, okay, if they are performing good, I should maybe have a separate account so that I can follow them and I can maybe generate few percent. But things fell apart, bro. I thought I should let everybody know about this thing, how they are performing. Yeah, they are posting good stories about the results. So, but yeah, man, in long run, I think it is not gonna work. Here on the stream, what you can do, if you want to take a trade, you can aim for 1 to 2. I believe 1 to 2 is very good. After 1 to 1, you can put your stops to break even and let it run to 1 to 2. I think it will be good. Here in my house, some construction shit is going on. So, yeah, man. Wait. Kia yaar. This is not really acceptable. ਇੱਥੇ ਪੈ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਆ ਮੇਰਾ ਗੇਟ ਨਾ ਖੜਕਾਈ ਹੁਣ ਯੋ weekly trend. To be honest, man, if you're a swing trader, you really need to worry about that thing. If you're a session trader, I mean, you can trade off of 15, bro, to be honest. You can trade off of 15. Punjabi boy in the house. Fuck it, bro. Let's go, man. All hail, like say you. Lot of goblin. Goblin, man. The fuck? Yeah, man, as I said, if you're a swing trader or if you're planning to hold the trade a little bit longer, I think you need to concern about the weekly. But if you are session trader, I don't think so. Weekly can help you. In my opinion, I think yeah. The thing that happened is if your trade goes into drawdown, like you are expecting, okay, weekly just pulling back, it might can flip, but it's not the case, bro. Things can change so quickly here. What is your take on gold? As I don't trade gold much nowadays, but we'll see. Gold, to be honest, gold moves in near COMEX. Like the moves that happen in GJ during London, same move happen on gold during COMEX. So if you wanna follow this strategy that I follow, like momentum based strategy, I think you should trade near COMEX open or New York session. But so far, if you talk about gold is just forming some structure to the downside. So yeah, still it has potential to go to the downside. Navy blood of realm of gold in the chat. Yeah, man. God is with us always. I mean, God has given me the opportunity to fucking do some crazy ass shit, bro. I'll never forget. Can't really thank God. Maybe we can thank God if you guys I know all of you will achieve this thing in future, and some of you are already doing it good. But if you do, the way you can thank God is um, just giving others the light that about the God, man. No monetary return, monetary help can help somebody. I think that faith that you can provide in others, that is the thing that you can say thank you to the God. That's the only way, I think. Your results are very good, bro. Yeah, man. July was really slow month for me. Not in terms of volume. Volume was really great. I really missed some good opportunity like this buy. I missed it because my friend was here with me, and once I see it, price was already somewhere around here. I was like, man, I don't want to enter so far. I really wanted to enter at the break of this. It really gave 1 to 4. I would have secured at least 1 to 3, 1 to 2.5. I've seen them. Yeah, thanks for that, bro. Yeah, as you can see, if you try to short it based on this bearish engulfing, man, you got fucked. If you really thought this auto block is gonna react way too early, bro, way too early, how you can say this is gonna respect? You will be like break of structure. I've been there. So yeah, still price can go to the upside, momentum is to the upside, downside also open to it. Let's wait for London Open. We have 50 minutes left. Okay, 3 minute. Very early to say if it is gonna drop or not. I think in order to take sell, we need some price action below this area so that we can tap here, somewhere around here. Okay, if some price action happen below this, then maybe sells. If above this, buys. If any price action happen above this, I'm buying. I'm just trusting on the volume. That volume will give me at least 20 pips, 30 pips, 10 pips, whatever. So far trend is also up. That is the plus sign. So yeah, I really need I like this type of structures in the London, this type of thing, even this type of structures. Okay, once yeah, let's see, we still have a little bit of time left. Guys, like this stream, man, like this stream. We have only 6 likes, man. What the fuck? We all want to grow together. Trust me, man. I think if you stick with this stream for maybe about a month, I'm sure you're gonna learn something new that nobody's doing, to be honest. I mean, it's not like nobody's doing. Everybody is aware about that, but how to execute those setups, a lot of people don't know how things happen. They place buy stop, sell stop, they don't know how the things react. Of course, if maybe they're breakout traders, their buy stops must be above this based on the London volume, okay? But stop loss might be a little bit bigger, but I think with this knowledge, with this structures like this, your stop loss can be a little bit less and reward can be the same. Like, not the same, that same TP I'm talking about. If you do these every night, I'll watch 110%, bro. 1 trade a day, that's all, man. Sometimes 2. No, I don't think so. We're gonna get 2. Yeah, One trade a day is for me. This music is really good. Look, the momentum like this is type of the thing that I want to see. If it breaks, then if it was London and push was a little bit bigger, I would have placed sell stop here, 10 pip stop right here, and TP would have been this. I think this still can play out. Yeah, but I don't really want to get involved in this position right here, man, because London is volatile, bro. If it shows me a little bit of profit, London will take me out and then it will continue. I mean, it's not like 100%, but most likely it can happen. Asia consolidated a bit, so might not be much more. Man, we haven't checked any news. Pound, not really much. Okay, we have 10 minutes left. I also have to send a signal, bro. It's very tough. Ooh, I think that thing can play out, but I'm very afraid that fucking London, man, it's so volatile. Even if you missed it, I'm sure London will give you the opportunity. Yeah, this is the target for the sells. As I mentioned, if anything happens below this, we can sell it. If anything happens above this, we can buy it. So far, looking like price can sell off. Microphone, bro, what the fuck? Yeah, was very nice move right here. Sell stop right at the break of this, and yeah, I know London is a bitch. London can do anything, bro. London can do this thing also. It can tap all the way to the downside, and then it can move to the upside. But again, we need that price action to confirm that move. We haven't checked the daily. Daily has tapped this fucking rejection area, bro. But still, this wick can get filled. So yeah, bullish for the day. If we can get bullish price action right here, then would be good. 8 minutes left. Let's see what we can get here. $27.55. Yeah, but looking at this, I think it can go to the downside. Yeah, But we need, man, I need that kind of setup, this type of thing. I love this setup, bro. Spread on my Forex fund is 1.7 pip. It's fucking more than gold. Man, I don't like this. Why it's like that? Okay, rejecting of this wick right here. Might can push to the upside in that direction. Let's see weekly. Weekly has approached that area. Yeah, we don't care about weekly, to be honest, man. Why spread is so much? Fucking 1.3 pip. What? I don't like to execute on this type of spread, bro. Deal is taking so much time. Let's see if we can make a chat here. Okay, we have 4 minutes left, but looking at this, I am positive about the downside move, man. Should have executed there, but man, what the fuck? You looking at this? This fucking gap. Yeah, it's gone. Position was right here at the break of this low. Right here. Beautiful position. Missed it. But yeah, it's not a problem. London is about to bleed, bro. Sheesh, missed the move, bro. Okay, let's see if we can capture on EJ. Still positive. Okay, we'll wait. Still, it is uptrending, so yeah. I think if you want to follow this strategy, this momentum based strategy, the worst thing that you can do is sticking to one bias, because things can change like this, bro. London can push to the downside, and then after 10-15 minutes it can go to the upside, or or it can continue in the same direction. You're looking for sells and you will get fucked, bro. You're looking for buys, it can go in same direction. So that's also good. Okay, so yeah, have to be very adaptive here. If we can get a pullback, little bit of consolidation, that same candle, either pullback, either candle like this, probably I will short this thing. What? I haven't received it. My deal is showing me I've received a payout, but I haven't got the message. 6348. I have to check my account, man. The fuck? Oops, GJ, bro. Like the stream, guys. Like the stream. Yeah, we missed the move right here. I don't think so we're gonna get anything. Okay, yeah. We got a payout. Shit. It's very good, man. We got a payout from my Forex fund. It feels good when you get paid. Yeah, as I said, this is an area of concern for us. Still open for buys. Let's go. We have, oh, London has started, bro. Haven't noticed it. Okay. Volume, pullback, I'm gonna be buying. Very fucking choppy price action, bro. Let me see if we took a trade here, can we secure 1 to 2 here? Not really. This would have been a break-even trade. That's why I don't really like to enter near fucking London. It is so volatile. It can stop you out and then can continue in the direction. If you really want to enter, you can enter 15 minutes before this session, so that you give a room for the candle to maybe move a little bit. 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Let me remove this trend line, bro. I'm gonna remove everything. Let's do a fresh analysis here. Asian range, okay, it is tapping this Asian range. Let me mark it as box. Okay, we have this area right here, and yeah, tap in bottom of the Asian range. Still not getting anything that is interesting at the moment. If on the 3 also we can get any move, that'd be good. Okay, seems like we are pushing. Not really. Yeah. Now guys, all we have to wait is that candle that I discussed. Okay, pull back, we are buying. TP will be 700, 650. Yeah, all we need is that candle that I discussed. That's all we need, guys. We have range to target a 1 to 2. Beautiful. As you can see, this pre-London push fake, pre-London push fake. This is original move, and this also can be a fake move once that London stock market open, and it can fall. So man, you really have to keep these little things in your mind. Now what you can say is this area is kind of holding, and this Asian low is holding. All I'm waiting for is that candle that I want, and I'm gonna be buying, bro. If not, let it push. I don't fucking care. Cool. If you can get the thing on E5, that'd be more good. Beautiful entry. Let it close like this, then 200 will be my buys. Come on, man. Close like that. I think waiting for 5 would be more good. It should close dodgy so that I can buy it. Oops, seems like it has no plans. Yeah. But if the same thing can happen after the break, that'd be good too. There was no wick, it made a wick, so very tricky at this point. I think buying would be above this area right here, but looking at the momentum and that trend line thing, yeah, can push to the upside. Let's see EJ. Okay. EJ have a range till here, and 5 minute. So much imbalance, man. I don't really like to execute this type of position. Price can pull back. Okay. Now, guys, if price started to push below, give us that pullback, I'm also open to sell. Have to be very adaptive here, because that will just say us this area is holding, aka this area. This is a level. By looking at the momentum, I don't really think so you're gonna sell off. So yeah, keeping my balls for buys here, man. Let's see. I'm gonna throw them once I see momentum. Sells also look decent, to be honest. This can be just a liquidity to the upside. And let's see, man. Just waiting for my setup. So far, very not really high quality setup. EJ buys was right here. Right here. Let's see if we can catch 1 to 2. Yes, I think we can. Yeah. EJ buys missed. But not a problem. EJ was choppy anyway, so not gonna execute there. Looking for GJ, man. Either break to the upside or respect this, come a little bit down, and then GJ is not giving us that candle that we want. Yeah, let's see. Not thinking to buy unless breaks above this with that candle. Yeah, if we can close let me see, 4 hour heavily bullish. Okay, it is also near this trend line. Both looks good. We have to find perfect setup. Spread is also fucking 1.7 pip, 1.9 on my Forex fund. It's too much, man. Next 15 is about to open in 3 minutes. So next 15 most likely fill this imbalance. Okay, it did close dodgy, but it is right at that area, man. I don't like this area. But following this push, I think it can. Oh, it was 3. Yeah, we can enter this off 3, bro. Hmm. 17 minutes, imbalance. No wick. Very tricky. Yeah. Salesman would be good. Momentum, little bit of pullback, I'll be selling this. Buying, I think, would be above this area. That would be good. What you guys looking at though on GJ? I kind of want to buy, but very tricky setup. Yeah, let this 5 close. But based off this thing, this rejection right here, buying is not really good. Yeah, showing momentum to the downside. I think selling is better. A little bit of momentum, that candle push, then we'll sell it. Or momentum, little bit of push, buy. Let's see. Yeah, if this candle can close like this, I'd be happy to sell. Next 15 has started. Okay guys, I'm buying above this. Based on the momentum, it is also near this SMA, so I think buying can play out. Above, let's say 280 my entry. Yeah, spread is too much. Because 15 has closed good, so I'm expecting momentum to the upside. If 3-minute is yeah man, buying would be much better. I'm gonna set a buy stop here. What the fuck? It gave me the entry of 298, bro. It's not good. It's not good. Slipped me, bro. Fucking hoe. We are targeting this area right here. Yeah. Let's say 1 to 2 first. 234. That is really good, man. This was really good. Actually, my entry got slipped, so yeah. Let's see, dog. Let's see, man. Let's see, man. Yeah, I think 190 is also good. Volume is very less. First of all, it fucking slipped me, and it's not really good. My Forex fund, man, it's really terrible server. Yeah, it really can give us 10 pips. It really can give us 10 pips. Then I'm gonna move my stops to break even, so at that time I don't really care. If it did tap the target, that's really good. If not, then probably gonna secure a little bit. So far momentum is really good. We have a couple of confirmations. Okay, so yeah, price took this liquidity out, so sellers are out. If they try to sell it, took this liquidity and now pushed sellers out. Now more buyers can jump in, because looking at this break, and then buyers can also get out after that imbalance get filled, but my target will be done at that point. Come on, GJ. Come on, bitch. I don't really like this momentum. I'm probably gonna close it. Let's see, 3 is kind of tricky. We have 19 seconds left. Yeah, let it go on. 3 is looking good. Do you think it'll previous daily wick? Yeah, high chance wick fill is the wick fill can happen, and at that point of time your target is this. Cool, let's fucking go, man. I'm gonna start to break even. Fuck you, GJ. Fuck you now. You can go where the hell you want. I'm break even, guys. I'm break even. Close some 10 pips, God. Beautiful day, man. Let's go. Can we hit TP2? I think we can. Only London can do this. No New York can do this. No session can fucking do this. There is some imbalance. Fuck it. Let's secure 10 pips. I'm out. I got my 10 pips. Usually it should not take this much time to hit the TP2. Yeah, it probably is filling the imbalance. This can be a liquidity to the downside. Okay. Fuck it. Or it can retest this whole thing, which maybe can make us break even, or even can stop us out, bro. Please type W in the chat. W in the chat. So that I can post the story or some shit, bro. You know, like, people like this shit. W in the chat, guys. W. Alright guys, we got a beautiful 10 pip here. Secure positions. Let's go, man. Let's go. Restream right here. Signal was sent. You can see. Beautiful. Let's go, man. W session. If you take these type of trades, man, 10 pip, 20 pip, that's all, man. That's all you need. Now, high chance price can go to the downside. Why? This can be liquidity, bro. Look at this huge push. Huge push. Okay. I know some people call it clean range, but sometimes liquidity and then go to the downside. Liquidity go to the downside. Whoa. But I'm out, man. I don't fucking care. %. Yeah, 1% is good, bro. I made 1% today. 1%, you do it fucking. Some days will be 1 to 3. Some days will be. Let's say last session, this session. Okay, this session was blessed. If you take a buy right here, 10 pip stop. Okay. Now, look. It pushed 1 to 2 in one candle. So sessions like this will happen, but this session was not really that session where this type of thing happen. Okay, so you will get 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s. Okay, so but not really a problem. Okay. Whoops. Shouldn't have closed it. Fuck. 1 to 2. Yeah, 1 to 2 done for the day. I'm gonna close close everything in my group. Close everything here plus 2%. Whoa. Let's go, man. We don't really have nothing to do now. We caught this trade. If you hold it a little bit long, my target would have been done. I always aim for 1 to 2s. Yeah, it can tap this area, so not a big deal, but I would have been out at 1 to 2 or some shit, because this is imbalance, and a little bit of chance price can reverse, but man, price can also tap the target. So just what I can say, what's the word, secure the profit, man, that's all. Yeah, these type of setups usually give you 10 pips, 1 to 2s, 1 to 1s, 1 to 3 sometimes if the volume is there. So this is not the typical volume. I mean, yeah, it can tap the target, slowly, maybe break even, then can get up. I don't really like to get involved in that. This session was blessed. Let's talk about the previous session. This session was a blessed. Look how quick push. Even if you enter right here, let's say right at the break of this low at 12 a.m., 10 pip stop, actually would have pulled back. So technically I would have secured at 1 to 1.5, because near London, as I said, it is wild push. So I don't really want to get involved in that. Let's say you took at the break of this low. Look, quick push. This is the push that I want, 1 to 2. Okay. This is now 15 minute in. We enter right here, 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, and 20 minutes in the trade. I don't really like that. Hopefully my members caught it. Yeah, I think they would have, because price got a little bit down in a drawdown. So yeah. Now get ready for the TP, boys. That was sniper entry. Relax music. That was London is like this. Either it will give you 10 pips in 10 minutes. I mean, not 10 minutes, like 3-4 minutes, or just the stop loss, which is a good thing. You'll be free quick. Typical 1 to 2 was beautiful. If you stick with the strategy with 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s occasionally, beautiful, man. You can win. You can win this game, bro. Trust me. Now, why this trade was taken? If this supply was in control, it should have respected, bro. Why it broke this high? It shouldn't have. Okay. I was open to sell too, but momentum never came to the downside. So we adapted. Beautiful 1 to 3.5. We was aiming for that. Oh my god, look at this. Same setup, bro. 10 pip stop, 10 pip, 10 pip. Where is 10 pips? Okay, what can be the target? Man, this high can be the target. Now this is the typical volume that I want. After this, 1 to 2 hit in one candle. That's the momentum that I want. When it comes to holding 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s, this is the type of momentum that I want. I'm sticking to this, bro, and this stream as well. That is very good, man. Thank you so much for that. That is the typical volume that we want in order to hold the trades. And at 10 pips, we was already at break even. Okay, so that is good part. That is really good part. Beautiful one candle, bro. One 3-minute candle gave you 1 to 2.5. Beautiful. Now look, rejecting. Why? Because that imbalance, bro. Imbalance. Of course, it can continue in the this target, but I mean, do you really want to get involved in that pullback? Maybe can stop you out. So yeah, it doesn't really make sense. Okay. Yeah, high chance price can tap this area. Yeah, I think so. Because yeah. Now why we didn't took the entry right at this break? Look, man, this imbalance was there and this SMA was a little bit away. I don't like to enter this type of trade. Price pulled back a little bit and then it breaks. That was my kind of setup. Now, days like 1 to 1, beautiful man, occasionally we will catch this type of momentum. As you can see, easy 1 to 3, this type of momentum. And this was not even 1 to 3, this was just one candle. So, yeah, this type of momentum will happen. Stay on the stream and we will catch this type of momentum too, bro. Hopefully getting it, hopefully going to get in your signals. Yeah, man, just try to learn. I mean, signal, still you have to use your own brain, bro. Oops. Same setup is happening again, this type of setup. Same setup. But now target is a little bit less, so typically I wouldn't like to enter here. If the target is 1 to 3, 1 to 4s, then I'd like to enter because it at least can give us 1 to 2. Who the fuck is calling, bro? Yeah, high chance this can be acting like a liquidity, then to continue to the downside. Maybe. Yeah, because I have observed if London pushed, now that London stock market open will push the price to the opposite side. Either you can follow this London strategy or just trade a London stock market open opposite move. It's really up to you, man. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna end it right here. If you have any questions, you can type in chat. So I'm gonna fucking end it right here, man. 10 pips is good, man. At least we pay 1% instead of losing 1% on break-even day. It's good, man. See you guys tomorrow, man. I'm gonna end this right here.